on, guys? It's Dave with Profishn, back with another 6 cents video. So today we've got the sack. Now this isn't the monthly sack. This is just they gave me this really nice sack because I ordered a lot of lures. So we're gonna go ahead and check out what all I got ordered here. So starting off first, I've got the Carolina pre-rig. 6 cents Carolina pre-rig right there, 3/8 ounce. And then I've got two of them. Then we've got the Snatch 70X. This is a molting crawfish. Very nice coloring on that. It's 5/8 ounce. Got the Quake Thud 70, 1/2 ounce. Collins craw. It's a very nice color right there. Then another Quake 70, 5/8 ounce. This is Sour Patch. Another Quake 70, 5/8 ounce. Neon craw. Then we've got the Snatch 70X. This is Lava Truce, 5/8 ounce. Then another Snatch 70X. If you can't tell, I like lipless crankbaits. This is Black Magic, 5/8 ounce. All right. Now we get into the soft plastics. All right, so we've got 4.6 ounce 10 count Bluegrass Magic Ned Fry. Got a package of them. Got the Cinnamon Crave Ned Fry, 4.6 ounce. We've got Electric Shiner Ned Fry, 4.6 inch. We've got another Cinnamon Crave. Another Cinnamon Crave. Cosmic Black Ned Fry, 4.6 inch. Another Bluegrass Magic, 4.6 Ned Fry. Another Cinnamon Crave. Another Electric Shiner. Another Cosmic Black. Those are all Ned Fries. And then I decided to change things up, and I've got the Clout 5.4 inch. Now I'm probably going to say this wrong. Myrtholate bright orange. Oh yeah, I cannot wait. And I got 2 packages of them. So that was that. I'll leave a link in the description box below to their website, where if you liked any of these lures, you can order them from there. I really like 6 cents product. Very, very good. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button, and then hit that bell so you can get more videos like this. All right.